Most people think that making $5,000 per month requires a large audience, tech skills, or years of experience. They assume that it's influencers, tech geniuses, or people that got in early. But what if I told you the real reason why most people fail has nothing to do with any of that? The biggest mistake isn't what you're doing, it's what you're not doing. You see, the people making passive income aren't necessarily smarter or luckier. They've simply figured out how to set up small systems that pay them again and again and again, all without trading time for money. And today, I'm going to walk you through 7 simple ways that you can start even if you have no money to get started. No product, no audience, or fancy skills required. And stick around to the end because I'm sharing one method that feels too easy to be real. But believe me, it's real and it pays. Hi, I'm Alston and I teach platform-proof monetization. I show you how to make money online without worrying about social media platforms and their unstable and unpredictable algorithm. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 passive income ideas that can make you $5,000 or more per month. In addition, I'm going to provide you an overview of what it is, examples of people that are already doing it, why it works, how to get started, and about how much you can expect to make early on. Number 7, creating and selling digital products at scale. Now, in my opinion, creating and selling digital products is the easiest way to get started. Basically, a digital product is something that you create on your computer and you sell it over the internet a million or trillion times. You're going to sell downloadable files like templates, planners, cheat sheets, and even budget trackers to people that want them and need them. And as I mentioned, people are going to buy these repeatedly on autopilot. And so here's how it works. You create the digital product using Canva, Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or even Google Docs. Then once you have it on your computer, you can create a sales page for free using Gumroad or even Google Docs. You connect a payment processor, and then you promote the product. And the reason why this works is people are looking for quick solutions to the problem that they're going through. For example, if somebody wants to manage their money better, they want a budget tracker that they can quickly implement into their life. And the best part about this is that you can scale this opportunity over time. Now you might be wondering, how do I promote this? And there are a few ways. If you're selling it on your own, you can promote it through social media. YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok are all great places. You can even use a platform like Etsy if you want, but I recommend selling it on your own. Now you might be wondering, how much should I sell this for and how much can I make? Now, depending on the size of the digital product, you can sell it for anywhere between $10 and $50. If you're just getting started, expect to make on the low end $500 and on the high end $5,000 per month with your digital product. Now, you might be thinking, Alston, this is great, but what if I don't want to create my own product? Then I think you're going to love this next passive income opportunity. Number 6 is affiliate marketing, where you can make money without your own product. And basically, affiliate marketing is recommending other people's products and services. You get paid when people click on your affiliate link and buy, and they get the product that they need. The best part is you don't have to worry about customer service or shipping or even having any products in your basement. You can partner with companies like Amazon or Bluehost or anywhere else. There are over 11,000 of them. Recommend products and services that you use, that you love, that your children love and use, and you get paid a commission. Now, the commission can be a portion of the overall sale, or it can be a set amount, which is predetermined. And the best part about this is that you get paid passively. People can watch your videos 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and click on those links and make a purchase. In addition, some affiliate programs offer reoccurring commissions. Basically, that means if they purchase a software like Canva or Jasper AI, if they remain a customer for 10 months, you get paid a commission for 10 consecutive months. So let's talk about how you can get started step by step. Step number 1 is to find affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche and simply join. They're free to get started, and you just have to fill out a little bit of information about how you plan on promoting the products and services, and then get accepted. Once you're accepted, you simply create helpful content to help answer a customer's question. The best types of videos to create are review, unboxing, first impressions, comparison videos, best X for Y, best X under Y, and how-to video. Now, the great thing is that you can do affiliate marketing on TikTok, you could start a blog or even a YouTube channel, simply helping people make a decision. Now, depending on the product or service that you are promoting, you can get paid a small amount between $1 or $10, or you can get paid high ticket commissions of $500 or more. Now, when you're just getting started, you'll probably make On the lower end, $500, but the more consistent and persistent you are and the better you get at content, you can easily make $5,000 or more with affiliate marketing. But what if you want to make even more money while you're sleeping? I think this next idea is literally effortless. Number 5 is creating AI generated content. Now this is passive content that pays. Here, you're going to create AI tools that generate audio, written, and even visual content. This content has the opportunity to pay you even more passively. For example, you could create AI YouTube channels that cover news and documentary style content. And my personal favorite, you could create AI generated printables that you sell over on Etsy. Now this works because the AI does about 80% of the work. You simply need to come up with the idea, and you can use keyword research tools to help you out with that. Once you download it and clean it up, it can be delivered automatically through an automated system, and there are multiple ways to monetize. In addition to selling the tattoo designs on Canva, you can include affiliate links, and you can include free products to get their name and email to sell them more things later on. When I created my tattoo designs, I used a software called Ahrefs to find different ideas. I used Midjourney to actually create the tattoos, and then I used ChatGPT to come up with the title and the description. Now, how much you can make really depends on the direction that you go. If you create an AI blog, you can make anywhere between $500 and $5,000 per month if you are consistent or persistent. AI voiceovers can make you anywhere between $100 and $10K per month. I think the best opportunity right now is to do AI voiceovers for other people. And AI printables can make you anywhere between $100 and $1,000 per month, but there's no inventory that you have to worry about. While AI is powerful, if you want to make money with something kind of like real estate, this next side hustle is for you. Here you can make recurring monthly income simply renting out digital real estate. What you're going to do is you are going to build out simple websites that pay you every single month. So here's how this works. Let's say your car breaks down. What's the first thing you do? Besides, you go to Google and you type in something like best auto mechanic near me, best auto mechanic near Miami, and your digital real estate could pop up. Basically, what the digital real estate does is it can collect leads to sell to other businesses on autopilot. And this works because you are going to be partnering with companies that need leads. You can never have too many leads as a small business owner. This will allow you to make money every single month, almost on autopilot. You just need to make sure that you are collecting payment from these small businesses, or you turn off the lead faucet. And the best part about this is you can scale by just creating more websites. For example, you would create auto mechanics in Miami, plumbers in Miami, computer technicians in Miami, and on it goes. So here's what you're going to do to get started. First, you need to get web hosting from Bluehost or GoDaddy. Once you create the WordPress website, you're going to start writing blog posts so that you can rank in that local area on Google. To rank on Google, you're going to need to learn a little bit about search engine optimization or SEO. Once you start getting traffic for that local area, you can reach out to small businesses and tell them that you have leads that you want to sell them. Let them know how you're collecting these leads and to try it for themselves. Now you might be wondering, how much can you make with this type of real estate? If you're building out small niche sites, you can make anywhere between $100 and $500 per month. If you're building out these lead generation sites in medium-sized cities, you can make anywhere between $1,000 and $5,000 per month per website. And if you're building out these lead generation sites in large mega cities like Chicago, LA, Houston, you can make $5,000 or more per month. And speaking of recurring income, this next opportunity will pay you every single month, almost on autopilot. Number 3 is print on demand and selling merch without inventory. Here you're going to sell custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, and anything else people are willing to buy without having to have it physically in your garage or basement. And this can work with you in a variety of ways. You can piggyback off of viral trends, you can find funny memes, you can use motivational quotes or posters, or you can even do personalized mugs and gifts, which is less passive but can bring in more money. So here's how you're going to get started step by step. Identify a topic that's trending. You can use Google Trends. You can simply browse TikTok or social media to find a common theme or topic that people are covering over and over. Then you can use a website like Printful or Teespring to create your print-on-demand inventory. Once you've created your inventory, you can link it with Etsy or Redbubble. For an additional step or an even better way to sell, you can sell it through your social media profiles like TikTok, YouTube, or even Instagram. Now, the great thing about this is some platforms won't require any upfront costs. They'll just require payment once you actually make a sale. Now you might be wondering, how much can I make with this opportunity? And it really all depends on the thing that you're selling. You can make anywhere between $5 or $15 per sale. And with enough consistency, you can make anywhere between $1,000 and $5,000 per month. Now you might be saying to yourself, Alston, all of these ideas have been great. I'm not a salesman. I don't want to have to sell in order to make money. Now this next opportunity is for you. Number one on my list is licensing stock photos. Here you can truly earn passive income 100% on autopilot. What you're going to do is you're going to upload photos, music, and sound effects, and people are going to pay you royalty fee. Now you can simply make money uploading everyday photos that you've taken, and you can take these with your cell phone. For example, up here we have very snowy winters. I can simply take scenic pictures of still images, animals, or anything else that people might be interested in. If you live in a major city, you could take photos of landmarks in different times of day. If you like music, you can create sound effects or even rain sounds and sell them to people that are interested. And the best part about this is that you can upload it once and potentially make money forever. Another benefit is that there are always huge demand for fresh content, and it works on autopilot. Now, what's really cool about this opportunity is that your pictures and images end up on major websites like CNN, Associated Press, and more, because all of these different companies, they need these images. For example, let's say you take an image of the protest outside of the Super Bowl. A company like the Associated Press, who is looking for these images, could buy them directly from you or buy them from a third-party website. And before you know it, your image is on a major platform getting millions of views every single day. So here's how you're going to get started step by step. You're simply going to take photos on your phone and upload them to a website like Shutterstock or Adobe. You can record sound effects and different music through Audacity and upload them to a site like Epidemic Sound, or you can make beats on GarageBand and sell them on Pond5. While the downloads don't really pay that much, between $25 and $50 per download, with enough uploads and consistency, you can easily scale this to $5,000 per month. Now that you know the 7 different ways that you can make $5,000 per month in passive income, watch this video next if you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 3 days.